Hello Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. Hey looky-loos, passy guys, trolleys, folks that haven't made up their mind but they keep peeking in anyway, and visitors that check the channel out but they are too shy to apply. Welcome back. Thanks for the support if you gave me a thumbs up. Anyway, look what y'all looking at. I got my fix. I made an order, online order. I gotta go to the store tomorrow. I'm going in the streets, y'all. And I gotta go pick up a couple of things. And, yep, I am still collecting food, but this, I replaced, look out, you see I picked up some more of the berry muffin mix because I used some yesterday and the other day. And I am still an excessive stockpiling grocery addict. This is my life. This is what I do. Well, I enjoy watching other people shop for groceries and share their groceries too. I love it. It's beautiful. So, yep. I was telling you guys, I am trying to get rid of stockpiles so I can, get some more stockpiles, some fresh stockpiles. That's why it's good to rotate, because you never know what's expiring, what's stale, old, crumbly, disgusted, full of bugs. You got to rotate, you got to organize. Well, especially rotate. If you're not a great organizer, at least you can move the products around and make sure, they're still, it can be used. Or you looking through seasonings, because seasonings will sit up there and grow bugs in them like the thing ain't like it's nobody's business. That yes, it will. You get those bugs in there. So you have to rotate. You have to do maintenance on your pantries and in your storage areas. You have to. Ain't no way around it. If you're going to do this, if you're going to collect a lot of stuff, you got to do some maintenance. That's for anything. Your house full of stuff. Y'all don't even have a clue. Okay, I'm just going to dip down here and let y'all see the mess in front of the stove. I'm ashamed. Am I? Look, it's all down there through on the floor. See, that's excessive stockpiling grocery addict. When you got stuff on the kitchen floor sitting all in front of the stove you ain't put up, that you have not put up, that's a problem. I need grocery rehab, and I know I'm not alone. But we all have to share the same interests over here. And I have several interests and a lot of people that share my interests on this channel, in this community. Spirit Boosters, I think that I'm going to create, I think I'm going to create a spirit boosting, another spirit boosting channel about something else. And if you guys want to follow me over there, that's great. But first I need to stay over here and get this channel straight, huh? Anyway, let me share with y'all what I got up here. I got, my husband said he wants some fish sticks. So, like I said, this stuff is online. I got some Van de Kamp beer battered fillets, 100% whole fish fillets back there. Wild caught, because some of y'all complain about the farm raised, but that's y'all business. Stay out of mine, because I get the kind of fish that we gonna eat anyway. It don't matter. Y'all can voice your opinion and your complaints, but remember, I'm gonna get what I want. Okay? And y'all get what y'all want. Never let nobody dictate what y'all gonna do or say. Think. Do what you want to do. But some of y'all do it out of the kindness of your heart. Some of y'all come over here with attitude talking about you shouldn't eat this or that because it ain't healthy. None of this stuff is healthy. The air ain't healthy. Y'all see what's going on with the pandemic. So hey, you can't figure that out. Can't fight that off. It's all in the air. So what you gonna do? If it ain't the food, it's the air, it's the water, it's everything. So quit complaining. Sit down somewhere. Do your business, wherever you got to do, and just carry on with life best you can. Now, what I'm talking about, I got them fish fingers over there, crispy battered, 15 in that box. I think it's, let me see, in the beer batter, it's 10 fillets in the beer batter. I got my husband some more pears. He got some grapes. Y'all probably, I don't know if y'all can see them good. Some Ocean Spray grapes. Big, juicy red grapes. I'm going to wash each and every single one. Wash that container and put them back in there. Put them in the refrigerator. We got some ice cream. It's the way I like it. Got that seal all the way around the top, because that way nobody can go in there and lick the lid and poke their finger all in ice cream. I do not like that ice cream that does not have any protection seal around it. That's ridiculous to me. How many of y'all buy ice cream like that? Somebody could put their finger in there and licked it, smelled it, breathed it, whatever they gonna do. I don't want that kind. And I also got some Italian cheese. I thought I had 2 of those, but I only have 1. And I got these Idaho French fries. I picked up some sweet potatoes. I got some bananas. I thought they were going to be a little yellow. Right here, my Honey Nut Cheerios, but they are organic, so they're green. Got some Tyson. I already purchased that before. Tyson's 100% all natural crispy chicken strips. So yeah, I got a good fix this morning. Now this is online. I did a Walmart online order too, and I got me some milk for my cereal, and I got some things for my husband, and I'll share that with you guys on the following day, I guess. But yep, I got a fix. I feel good, and I just get out there and just, you know, make a purchase. Keep my mind out there. I don't know, it's just crazy. But I am, like I say, getting rid of stockpile. So I need to get rid of a lot of stuff, and some stuff I'm cooking it up. Like y'all seen my previous video, I'm cooking stuff like crazy. I made those delicious pork chops, rice, cornbread, and that sweet potato yam stuff. I didn't do it right. I'm gonna do that again and see how it worked when I doctor it up. But I just came through to share with you guys my grocery haul. Hope you guys are enjoying it, and still report your goings ons. And when you go out and have these store trips, y'all go to the market and stuff, report, you know, if you want what's happening at the store. You have sightings of empty shelves, any stock shelves, food prices. Now, you know, I tried to get some wings. The wings are kind of sold out because of the Super Bowl Sunday, I believe. My husband talking about he wanted a taco on Super Bowl. Fine enough with me. I ain't mad at no tacos. But anyway, I got to put this stuff up. Thank you guys so much for coming back, and thank you for all the blessings. And it's a blessing each and every day you guys come. Bless you back. I hope that I am, you know, providing you guys with some useful information. Number one, you own a pantry. Remember, keep rotating. And if you organize, you might not be the best, but, you know, put stuff in a way where you can find it so that you don't keep buying the same thing over. You might got 10, 12 of them because you can't find the ones you bought the last time. So you buy more. So that's why you have to organize and rotate. Move stuff around. Get the cobwebs off the dust. You see the mess I got down on the floor in front of the stove? Yep. And then right next to that is a cart full of other stuff. Full of other stuff that I ain't shared with y'all yet. Yes, it's some hoarding going on over here. Call it what you want. But yes, this is the life of an excessive stockpiling grocery addict. And I need grocery rehab. And with y'all help, I guess I am in grocery rehab. We do it little by little. I love y'all suggestions. Thank you for giving me suggestions on how to keep drains flowing free and cleaning them out and freshening them up and stuff. I really appreciate all you guys' comments, and I am trying to respond. Y'all know I'm busy over here. I know y'all busy too. We all busy. We all got lives to do. But it's a little bit more busier when you have someone that's not feeling so well. So I'm still doing what I got to do over here. But I'm going to let y'all go. Thanks for, like I said, once again, I can never thank you guys enough for continuing to support my channel. Continue to have faith in me, believe in me, deal with me, and keep me uplifted, keep me in good spirits. Because y'all see, I'm just here to entertain and have y'all crack some smiles, some laughter, all that good stuff. And I'm glad that you guys hanging around and sticking around and sending people over here. And when you do create a channel, let me know so I can send folks to y'all channel. The ones that will, you know, will participate in that kind of activity. Because it's cool. This is a great social media way to meet folks, make wide YouTube friends and all that, and socialize amongst ourselves, sharing information, ideas, tips, carryings on, goings on, and what's happening in your area. Don't forget to share all that. It still is meaningful, and it's some comments that I would really want to get to, because I know you guys leave your comments and you would like a response from me, and believe me, I'm trying. I left my little thumbs up in the heart, meaning that I have read it. When you see that I've read it, and I'm trying my best to get to respond to all you guys, and forgive me if I don't get respond to you at all, and I'll try. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better. Don't y'all frown up on Miss Janita. Remember, I got potential over here. I got potential. Y'all heard the message. And remember, the tip is stay in survival mode. Keep stocking up. Keep doing you. Keep sharing what you're getting. Your new products and all that. These fish fingers, that's a new product for us over here. And I picked up these pears for my husband. I just realized it says super fresh. It's for kids. I didn't know they had pears for kids. I guess they supposed to be small, but it don't matter. They gonna get ate up. Okay, y'all, I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day, evening, life, wherever y'all are. If you have a video active channel, remember to invite me over there so I can check it out and put you in my community. We all got to help each other survive in this on this YT. Okay, that's it, y'all.